In 1610, Galileo saw Saturn, but he didn't understand it. His telescope showed strange ears, not knowing they were icy rings that would puzzle humanity for centuries. Today we know those rings are vast, delicate, and possibly vanishing before our eyes, a cosmic masterpiece, fading in silence. Scientists think a lost moon or a celestial collision may have created them. But we still ask, why Saturn, why not the others? If you stood beneath those radiant bands, would you feel awe or sorrow for what's slipping away? Let's explore the truth behind Saturn's vanishing crown. The enigmatic beauty of Saturn's rings. If you were standing on the surface of one of Saturn's moons, you'd see something that almost doesn't look real. Towering arcs of shimmering ice stretching across the sky like a celestial ribbon. For centuries, this sight has mystified stargazers and astronomers alike. Saturn's rings aren't just decoration, they're clues. Clues to a violent cosmic past, to the invisible forces that shape our universe, and to the kind of beauty that only space can sculpt. But what's wild is that when Galileo Galilei first saw them in 1610, he had no idea what he was looking at. His telescope was primitive, and to him, Saturn looked like it had ears. It wasn't until decades later that scientists realized these weren't ears or wings, but rings. Massive, flat rings made of something far more fragile than rock, ice. Not one single ring, but thousands of tightly packed ringlets spanning hundreds of thousands of kilometers. They're wide enough to stretch nearly the distance from Earth to the moon, but they're razor thin, barely 10 to 30 meters thick in most places. So, why do they exist at all? Why Saturn and not Jupiter or Uranus in the same way? That's where things get fascinating. Let's break it down. What Saturn's rings are really made of. Most people think Saturn's rings are solid, like a giant hula hoop floating in space, but that couldn't be further from the truth. These rings are made of billions, yes, billions of tiny particles, each orbiting Saturn independently. They range from microscopic dust grains to house-sized boulders, and they're mostly composed of water ice, which explains why they reflect sunlight so brilliantly. But here's the twist: they aren't pure ice. Hidden among the icy debris are specks of rocky material and organic compounds. That's right, some of the same carbon-rich molecules that may have played a role in forming life on Earth are found in Saturn's rings. Scientists think the difference in ring color, some being brighter, others darker, might be due to the varying amounts of this dusty contamination. And while they look smooth from afar, the rings are more like a cosmic traffic jam up close. These particles constantly collide, clump together, and break apart again. It's chaos, but organized chaos ruled by gravity. Every motion, every gap between rings is shaped by Saturn's moons tugging on the particles like invisible hands sculpting art. And that chaos may hold the key to how the rings even got there in the first place. How did Saturn's rings actually form? A moon torn apart. That's one of the most widely accepted theories behind the formation of Saturn's rings. Sounds brutal, right? And it was. Scientists believe that long ago, Saturn may have had a large icy moon that drifted too close, within the planet's Roche limit, a point where Saturn's tidal forces became stronger than the moon's own gravity. The result? The moon was literally shredded into pieces. But that's just one version of the story. Another theory is even more chaotic. What if two moons collided at high speed, turning into a spray of debris that spread around Saturn like a slow-motion explosion in space? Over time, gravity helped those icy fragments settle into the thin structured rings we see today. This theory is supported by how flat and disc-like the rings are, just like the aftermath of a spinning cosmic smash-up. Some scientists even think these rings could be the remnants of material that never formed into a moon at all, a frozen ghost moon that failed to become whole billions of years ago. But here's the catch. No matter the theory, one thing remains clear: the rings are a result of destruction. Something had to break, rip, or explode for them to exist. Saturn's beauty is born out of cosmic violence, and that makes it even more incredible. Are Saturn's rings old or surprisingly young? You might assume Saturn's rings have been around forever. After all, the planet itself is over 4.5 billion years old. But what if I told you that the rings might be younger than the dinosaurs? That's right. Some scientists now believe that Saturn's rings may have formed as recently as 100 million years ago, when T-Rex roamed Earth. That's practically yesterday on a cosmic timeline. How could something so massive be so young? It all comes down to their brightness. The rings are incredibly reflective, meaning they haven't been exposed to space dust and debris long enough to darken over billions of years. On the flip side, there's a competing theory that says we've just gotten lucky. Maybe the rings really are ancient, but their icy particles constantly recycle themselves, colliding, breaking down, and reforming, keeping them looking fresh and clean despite their age. Cassini's mission tried to settle the debate, measuring how much ring material is falling into Saturn's atmosphere. The data leaned toward a shorter lifespan. meaning we may be living in a rare moment in time when Saturn is dressed in her finest. Either way, the rings are temporary. Whether they're ancient or newborn, they won't last forever. We're witnessing a fleeting masterpiece, and most of the universe won't even get the chance. What NASA's Cassini mission uncovered about the rings. One spacecraft got closer to Saturn's rings than anything in human history, and it changed everything. NASA's Cassini mission, launched in 1997, didn't just orbit Saturn, it danced through its rings, it flew between them, and what it saw was astonishing. Cassini revealed that the rings aren't uniform at all. They're full of waves, literal ripples caused by gravitational tugs from Saturn's dozens of moons. These waves aren't just beautiful, they act like seismic maps. They help scientists understand Saturn's interior structure, the same way earthquakes help us understand Earth's core. Wild, right? And then there were the propellers, tiny gaps carved by moonlets no bigger than a city block. These baby moons move like little shepherds, pulling and pushing ring particles, leaving trails behind like ships through ice. It's a whole ecosystem of motion. Collisions, orbits, spirals, all governed by gravitational forces we can't see but Cassini could feel. What stunned scientists most was the sheer level of detail. They found sharp edges, sudden gaps, and braided structures like strands of hair woven by the cosmos itself. Saturn's rings aren't just pretty, they're alive with motion. Cassini didn't just observe them, it revealed a complex, dynamic system still evolving before our eyes. Will Saturn's rings eventually disappear? They look eternal, but Saturn's rings are fading. Right now, as you read this, those magnificent ice particles are falling, bit by bit, into the planet they orbit. It's called ring rain, and it's caused by Saturn's magnetic field, pulling charged particles from the rings down into its atmosphere. NASA estimates that each second, tons of ring material is being lost forever. Think about that, a structure hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide, vanishing grain by grain like sand in an hourglass. Scientists now believe the rings could be gone in as little as 100 to 300 million years. In cosmic time, that's a blink. And that means we are alive at one of the rare moments in history when Saturn even has rings this bright and massive. Most other planets don't get this kind of spotlight, we just happen to be born at the perfect time to see it. The rings are like fireworks on a galactic scale, stunning, fleeting, and impossible to ignore. One day future civilizations may only see Saturn as a plain gas giant. No icy crown, no shimmering halo, just a memory left in textbooks and telescopes. And that makes every glance at Saturn now feel a little more sacred. The role of Saturn's moons in shaping the rings. Saturn's moons play an incredibly crucial role in the creation, maintenance, and structure of its rings. These moons act as both sculptors and guardians of the rings, exerting gravitational forces that shape the particles within them. Saturn has over 80 moons, but many of them are especially important for the delicate dance of the planet's rings. Some moons, like Pan and Atlas, are small yet vital to the structure of Saturn's rings. They create gaps, or propellers, within the ring material, where the gravitational pull of the moon pushes particles into a tightly packed structure while leaving a gap in its wake. These gaps resemble the paths left behind by ships moving through ice, and they help maintain the ring's shape and distribution. The effect is not just visual, but also vital for the dynamic behavior of the ring system. On the other hand, moons like Mimas, Enceladus, and Dione have more indirect roles. They interact with the rings by generating gravitational waves, small fluctuations that ripple through the material, organizing it into neat, concentric bands. These waves influence the ring particles' movement and maintain their organized chaos. Through their gravitational interactions, Saturn's moons help to prevent the particles from scattering away into space, ensuring the rings stay intact over millions of years. Interestingly, the material in Saturn's rings is not static, it's in constant motion, constantly being tugged by the moons. This interaction is a prime example of how moons and rings coexist in a delicate balance, with each influencing the other. Without these moons, the rings would likely lack the fine structure and order they currently display. Rather than a simple floating collection of ice, Saturn's rings are a complex, gravitationally controlled system that relies heavily on the nearby moons to sustain its beauty and form. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Saturn's mysterious rings. From icy debris to shattered moons, the secrets they hold are as vast as space itself. There's still so much we don't know, and that's what makes it thrilling. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the universe we call home. So, what do you think created Saturn's rings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a cosmic conversation. And if you love discovering the secret of the universe, don't forget to subscribe to Space Facts and hit the bell icon for more adventures.